OnlyFans star Sophie recently told Mr. Beast that she wanted to donate $1 million to Team Water, sparking a wave of mixed reactions online. During a live stream with Aiden Ross and XQC, Sophie mentioned her huge pledge.
No shot. Oh, there you go.
Wow.
Wow.
Sophie Rain with $1 million.
That is crazy.
That is insane.
But some viewers immediately trolled her, accusing her of lying. The criticism grew even louder when people compared her earnings to LeBron James, saying it was unrealistic. Sophie later clapped back on X, Twitter, insisting, "But I still donated."